The anxiety equation is self-doubt, fear of change, and physical anxiety. I used to think there was something wrong with me, that I was anxious and I wasn't good enough. I was broken, that there was some shameful thing about it. And nobody talked about being anxious. But here's what I've learned over the years. It is not what happens out there. Anxiety happens in here. It is not what happens to us, it's what happens in us. And for more than half of my life, I waited for someone to come and rescue me. Help! But what I've learned is we can rescue ourselves. It's about understanding where anxiety comes from. And your anxiety, because everybody in this room, if you're anxious, or if you live with anxious people, your anxieties are all different. But when you understand where your anxiety comes from, it's a huge first step in order to be able to address it, to find ways to feel better. And that's the point of tonight. Think back of all the stuff people have told you about yourself and what you tell yourself, because it really isn't what happened. It's the story you tell yourself about it. And what I'm going to ask you to do tonight is start to tell that story differently. When you claim your role as hero in your life changes. I see so many people, oh, it's so terrible. You are a magnificent human being. Fear of change is the stuff we tell ourselves about what might possibly one day happen. Physical anxiety is always in the present. And that's where we take charge of our anxiety, not in the past. It might happen, but it might not. And we go around, oh, well, I go around, oh, it's going to be terrible. Oh. But do I know that? No. And what if I imagined the best? What's the worst? What's the best that can happen? What if you asked yourself that? What is the best that could happen here? I think that changes the way we think about the future.